let's start with chapter number 6, Introduction to Visual Basic. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the concept of computer programming, Introduction to Visual Basic, Solution Explorer, what are its properties, controls, and application development. So let's study with the concept of computer programming. So programming means writing coded instruction or program to instruct a computer or other device to perform a specific task automatically. कि हम क्या करेंगे, कुछ specific task को automatically perform करेंगे, and they are written and what they are known as software. So we have so many softwares. Among them are desktop operating system, internet browser, spreadsheet, word processing software, accounting software, photo and video editing software, gaming software, and mobile apps, robotic software. So let's study about Introduction to Visual Basic. You are familiar with QBasic language and its uses. You can use QBasic to create visual program, but it is not as effective as your Visual Basic. So the Visual Basic है, it's a specialized object-oriented computer language that you can use so that you can develop simple to complicated windows based on GUI application. ये किसका पार्ट है? ये विजुअल स्टूडियो एप्लीकेशन पैकेज का पार्ट है एंड इट इज इवॉल्व फ्रॉम इट्स अर्लियर डॉस वर्जन जिसे हम बेसिक कहते हैं और डिफरेंट सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी प्रोड्यूस डिफरेंट वर्जन लाइक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट क्यू बेसिक, क्विक बेसिक, JW Basic, IBM Basic. Similarly, many version of Visual Basic it exists in the market today also, such as VBC, VBNet, VB205, VB2010, and latest version that is VB 2050. So in Visual Basic, programming is done in integrated development environment, in graphical environment. जो यूजर को अलाउ करता है कि आप डिजाइन कर सकते हैं, एडिट कर सकते हैं, कंपाइल कर सकते हैं, डीबग कर सकते हैं विद इन द कॉमन एनवायरनमेंट, राइट? इट इज वेरी सिंपल एंड यूजर फ्रेंडली लैंग्वेज. बहुत ही सिंपल है, यूजर फ्रेंडली है, यू कैन यूज इट वेरी वेल. So starting Visual Basic, following steps has been given. So let's follow this step one by one. Go to start button, go to all program. You will choose Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 and Express. And the window like this will appear on the screen. We work on the project in Visual Basic. और जो collection of file उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, project कहते हैं. And we can write various application with the help of Visual Basic. We will learn how to create windows, forms, application step-wise manner. Right. Now, first step is you will go to start page and click on the start product project, which you can find on the left side. Click on window form application option. You can also specify the name of your application in the name box and the Visual Basic IDE will appear once you click on OK. Now, what are the different components of Visual Basic IDE? So, we have different components. You can see this is title bar, this is menu bar, this is your toolbar. This is toolbox and this is form window. These are the different components, right, that you see in this chapter. Now, what is main window? All applications that are created here and this is the work area where the window to work with forms and edit the code. What you can do, you can edit the form code. Now, form window it is used by the user so that you can interact. जब आप क्या कर सकते हो, different applications के साथ interact कर सकते हो. Toolbox can be displayed by clicking on Toolbox bar, which is found on the left edge of the screen. Next is property, which means the characteristics of object in Visual Basic. जैसे आपका color और size हो गया. And what are the method? Different actions can be performed on the object. इसे हम method कहते हैं. Event, user generated action which is applied on the object. इसको event कहते हैं in Visual Basic. Then we have Solution Explorer. Different files of the project are displayed. There are view and view design button which is present on the top in the solution to change the designer view or code view, and this view can be used to develop application in Visual Basic. So what are designer view? The interface of an application can be designed using this view by placing the various controls on the form. अब इसमें different forms को क्या कर सकते हैं, control कर सकते हैं. Next is code view. What is code view? To type the code in Visual Basic, we use code view और जो code है उसको हम type कर सकते हैं in the event which is handled to form or even in the other control. A list of all control used in the correct form is provided by a drop down list on the left. जो जितने भी events है जो भी आपके related है in the left, right, it will be dropped on the right side. वो अपने आप आपके right side पे drop हो जाएंगे. Now what are the properties window? It is a form or a project of control. placed on the form can be displayed and changed using properties window. There is also an option that allow you to choose to display property, category or event wise. Now see events has been given, that is form load or form unload, जिसमें आप क्या कर सकते हो, फॉर्म को लोड कर सकते हो, कैन ट्रिगर एंड कैन बी डिस्प्लेड ऑन द स्क्रीन. फॉर्म अनलोड विच कैन बी ट्रिगर्ड व्हेन फॉर्म एंड गेट क्लोज्ड, और जो आपकी मेमोरी से रिमूव भी हो सकता है. देन वी हैव कंट्रोल. लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट द वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ कंट्रोल. फर्स्ट इज पॉइंटर कंट्रोल, इससे आप मूव कर सकते हो, रीसाइज कर सकते हो, राइट. लेबल कंट्रोल, which is a form using this control, it can identify text box or to display instruction on the form. Now a property, that is a name, जिसमें आपका नेम होगा. बैक मतलब अब जो आपका बैक कलर सेट होगा. नाउ बॉर्डर स्टाइल की बॉर्डर स्टाइल कैसा होगा, फोर कलर की जो फोरग्राउंड है कलर वो किस तरीके से लेबल्ड होगा. देन नेक्स्ट इज इवेंट. क्लिकिंग ऑन द लेबल विल ट्रिगर दिस इवेंट. डबल क्लिक करोगे तो ट्रिगर होगा इवेंट को. माउस को मूव करोगे इट विल ऑल्सो ट्रिगर द. नाउ प्रॉपर्टीज इफ वी टॉक अबाउट, so names, name of the text box, maximum number of characters that can be entered, enabled, enter the value, text which is used to display the text box, passwords which is used to accept the password values in a text box. These are the events has been given. Then we have button control. अब button से different button आप use कर सकते हो. Push button जो आपको initiate करता है to some action to form. First is property, name of a button, font का size, style कैसा है. Enabled मतलब it responds to user to generate action or not in control using. Value true means that you can click on the button. Now what is application development? Application development क्या होता है? To create a window application form which is base project, you will create a form, place control on the form. Control can be added on the form in two ways. A, first you will select the control in the text box and then drag the control onto the form. Then double click the control in the text box. What you will do? Then it will add the control on the top left corner of the form. Drag the control to the location you desire on the form and you can also resize. आप चाहते हुए resize करना तो आप resize ही कर सकते हैं. Let's study about the step 3, that is properties for control and form should be set. For the appropriate event handles of the form and various objects, set the code. ये करता है code को set करता है. Now example 1, changing the text and the foreground color of the text when the mouse is moved over the surface. First you will go to start page and then you will click on new project option. For the project type, you will click on window form application and then type a name of the project. Visual Basic IDE will open with the form name form 1 and when you click OK. Set the following properties after selecting the form. आप different properties को set करो. Name, flow message, then back color, choose a color of your own choice. Text, first application of my own. Now step 5, that is go to toolbox and double click on the label control. Right now change the label control properties that follow. You will name ideal message. Right, text आपको क्या होगा, move mouse over the message. Back color palette टैब से आप यूज करोगे. Font Roman, small size 80. ऐसे आप different 21 size 22 आप जो चाहे वो sizes में यूज कर सकते. Now step 8, you will change the properties after resizing the second label control. Name, LBL change, text, say success secrets, बैक कलर चूज एनी कलर. फॉन्ट कैलवरी फॉन्ट होगा, रेगुलर होगा, साइज 16 होगा. एंड यू कैन डबल क्लिक सो इफ यू वांट टू चेंज द कोड नेम. Right now from the second you can drop down list, you will select the move mouse event and it will insert mouse move event handle. You need enter the lines of code in the mouse moves enter handle. You will go to the toolbar and you will click on the save button. You can try the application by entering two ways, pressing F5 button or clicking start debugging. Now calculator in Visual Basic. We also have a calculator where you can express different things like using Visual Basic Design, a form of interface. Change the name property of the control, num1, num2, result text box, add button, subtract or multiply. CMD annual, CMD subtract, CMDI, like this you can write in the short form. Then you will double click on add button and type the given code in the control click handle, right? A predefined function val is used to convert values in the text boxes. तो और किसमें चेंज कर देता है? न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ एडिशन. Otherwise, the values inside the text boxes are treated as text values and they are concentrated. Now add the given code in CMD subclick event and handle event handle. And you can, what you can do? You can also handle the event handles. Now F5 to run the project, calculator form will appear. Now enter number 1 and number 2 and you will click on the different numbers and this will be the result that will be shown to you. Right? Now we have completed the chapter. Let's start with the exercise now. First is in Visual Basic, this bar is used to display title of the window. It is title bar. Next is the view in which Basic allows the user to design the interface of an application. Dash is designer view. Integrative development environment, right? It is more commonly known as IDE. Now, Code View is a solution explorer is in Code View. Visual Basic is a high level language. High level language है. Which function key is pressed to run the project on Visual Basic? That is your F10. The first project in Visual Basic goes by the name Dash by default. That is Project I. The forms are used by the user to interact with. किसके साथ interact करते हैं? Application. Now fill in the blanks. Dash offers the user common environment for designing, editing and removing error. That is IDE. We work on a dash in Visual Basic. किसमें work करते हैं? Form में. On dash window you can find view code and designer code buttons. किसमें find करेंगे? On design window. This is a programming language based on GUI. It is event driven. Next is any action that you perform on an object. It is known as event. The full form of IDE is integrated development. What we call it? We call it integrated development environment. Next is user generated action which is applied on the object. What we call it? It is known as method. Visual Basic is very high level. Powerful language, right? Write T for true and F for false statement. Visual Basic is a programming language. It's true. Visual Basic is the only language that offers GUI. It's false. Next is the text is displayed on the home using label control. It's true. Next is a collection of files known as project. It's true. Visual Basic is used to develop application. It's true. You can create calculator. It's true. Next is Visual Basic offers an environment for designing, editing, removing errors, which is known as ID, Integrated Development Environment. It's true. Now, D match the following. Main window, window application 1. Next is toolbar. Toolbar, debugging button. Menu bar, user generated action. Right? Then fourth is title bar. That is your characteristics of object. Event, it is a work area. Format, debugging and edit. Property is working. Right? Next is D. Answer the following question. What do you mean by programming? Programming क्या होता है? Then you have to define Visual Basic and its uses. Write in detail about the components of various Visual Basic. Short note लिखना है. Solution Explorer क्या होता है? Then you have to write the steps I have told you about to create a calculator in Visual Basic. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.